Hello, this video is to show how you actually edit and change the content of your website once you've set it up through your local town. So you will be met with this starting page, which is where you'll begin. And you've got a choice here of either viewing the website as it is to start off with or going straight to the administration back area. So the easiest way really is to click on view your site and you'll see what you've been created with to start off with. What this shows here is the business standard website, so the basic one that we selected. And you'll see it's populated with pictures and a map and a contact form. And really what we're going to do is just edit those to show that we've actually got a website and to get it underway so as you can start using it and giving the address to people and so on. So best way to start is come up to the top here and click on the Web Creator button, the big red one. What will then happen is it will go into the Web Creator system and you've actually got the option here of going through a little tour which will show you around. And I would recommend that's a very good way to start because it shows you how to edit and things, but that's what we're going to be doing in this video, so for the purposes of this video we won't do, but I would recommend it if you're doing it yourself. So we've clicked no. Effectively what you've got is you've got lots of different elements or boxes here that you can change and add your own content, edit the text and so on. So as an example, where it says live life to the fullest here, we've created a made-up website called a Super Fresh Deli. So if we just want to put we sell lovely fresh food, for instance, that's how we do it. We just click on the content and then we save it. If you didn't see that, same thing again, hover over it, click on it and it opens it. And you can change the content of the text or anything you want. So we won't go through and change them all, but you get the idea. When it comes to buttons, like learn more here, you may want to take this as a link to something else, say one of your suppliers pages or something. So if we were to show you how to do that, then we might put our suppliers in here. We could add an icon if we wanted to. If we click on select icon, and you'll see there's lots of different icons down here. We might want to select one of those that we felt was appropriate for our offer, or we might not want to. For now, we'll leave that blank. But more importantly, what we then need to do is put a link. That is where the computer will take the user when they click on that link. So if you've got a supplier of fresh food, for instance, I don't know, freshfood.com, put it in there. What you'll find is it needs to put the whole web address in like that, and what will then happen is when someone clicks on that it will take them to your supplier's button, supplier's website. But that button can be used for anything. If you've got lots of pages or other pages in your website, and we'll show you how to do that on a later video, then you might want to take a link to within your own website to one of your other pages, but the principle is the same. So come down here, change the text, alter that. When it comes to pictures, so for instance, that big one at the top there, this picture of the girl's head, if we click on that, we come down here and you'll see it says select photo. Click on select photo, and what you then do is either select a photo from your computer or drag one off your desktop. If I drag one on here, you'll see I've got a photo which will then load onto the desktop. Might take a minute depending on how big your picture is. This is a pretty big picture. Then put select photo and my nice cheese picture will then load. Simple as that. So that's how the background works. Same principle with these. Just alter them by clicking on them and you'll see you can change the text here, the image here, and select photo. Call to action means, do you want something to happen when people click on this area? If you do, again, you can put a link in here for one of your pages of your website or an external link, as we said before. So that's exactly the same. The two other bits we'll do on this video are the contact form. This is when a user of your website wants to get in touch with you. This is all done for you. The only thing you need to do is if you click on it, you will then see the elements here listed, but what you need to put is send to email. So this is your email where this contact form will go to. So when someone actually completes the form and presses send, then it will go to your email address yourself. So if you've got a Hotmail account or a Gmail account or whatever it is, just put that in there and it will automatically send that to you. So you will just get it arriving in your inbox that someone has been using your website to contact you. What you can also do is, if you wish, at the moment success action is left to none. What that means is what shows on this page once they press send. So you can put a little message if you like, and you can put thanks for your message, we'll be in touch soon, for instance, or you can change that to whatever you want here. Or if you wanted to, you could redirect. What that means is it will automatically go to another page of your website. If you click on that, you just put the page of the website here and it will take it to it. But for now, we'll have show message and we'll press save. So now if anybody completes that, puts their name, email and message in here, then it will send it straight to that email account I put in. And the final thing is your Finders map here. This is for the address of your own business. So it's set to a default dependent on what town you're in. But all you need to do is click on it and you can put anything you like in here. You can put an address, a full address, or you can even put things like a postcode. So for instance, if I put our Henley office postcode in here, click save, then you will see it automatically loads the map with the Henley address in it. And you can do that with any address. So it's just a way of customers being able to find where you are and they can get directions from this map automatically. So a quick run through, hopefully a simple and straightforward one, just shows you how to get your own one-page website up and running. If, by the way, you don't want things, so let's say, for instance, you don't want a link on your website that takes you to anywhere, like this first example, just click on the X and it will remove that element. If you didn't want a little quote or anything else in there, just click on the X and it will remove that too. You can slim it all down like that. So you can take out whatever content you want. Same thing if you didn't want this. If you clicked on remove this element, what will happen is remove the element itself and then remove the empty box, and what you'll find is it centers the one that's left. So if you just wanted one picture, for instance, you could do that. Okay, hope that was simple, and for further details, look at the other videos. Thank you. When you finish, by the way, just press done and then publish changes like that, and then your website is up and running. Thank you.